Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will discuss about English consonant and its table, which is very important to make in phonetics and phonology. And English consonant table helps us to understand features of consonant sounds, especially manners of articulation and places of articulation. This table represents all consonant sounds that are 24 in number, and one consonant, and it also shows that which consonant sounds fall in which category. Let's see on it. It is a table by horizontal axis. It represents two places of articulation, and by vertical it represents two manners of articulation. One sound is categorized into two ways. First in places of articulation, then in manner of articulation. Let's see. First one is by horizontal manners of articulation. Places of articulation are bilabial sounds, labiodental, dental, alveolar, post-alveolar, palatal, velar, and glottal. And by manners of articulation are plosive sounds, affricate, fricative, nasal, lateral approximant, and approximant. PB is a bilabial as well as plosive sound. Because it is bilabial, because to produce this sound our upper and lower lips come together, and there is blockade in oral cavity of ear, so it is bilabial plosive sound. Next one is TD. It is alveolar sounds, because blade of tongue touch to alveolar ridge, and it is also plosive because there is blockade of ear in oral cavity. KK is velar sound by places of articulation, because back part of tongue touch to volume, which is also known as soft plate, and there is blockade of ear in the oral cavity, therefore it is plosive sound. Next one is affricate. J are affricates and post-alveolar, because to produce this sound tip of tongue touch to alveolar ridge. Fricatives are those sounds there is complete openness to produce these sounds. In for example, FV, it is a labiodental. Because FV is a labiodental, because to produce these sounds lower lip touch to upper teeth. Upper teeth are passive. They, it is dental, because tip of tongue touch to upper teeth. Z, it is alveolar, because tip of tongue touch to alveolar ridge. Ye, it is post alveolar, because tip of tongue touch to post alveolar ridge. He is a glottal sound, because it comes out from glottis. Next one is nasal sound. Nasal sounds are three: M, N, ing, because these comes out by the way of nose. M is bilabial, N is alveolar, ing is velar sound. Lateral approximant L is alveolar and lateral approximant sound. Approximant are three in number: W, which is also bilabial, R, which is post-alveolar, and Y. It is palatal because to produce Y, back part of tongue, sorry, central part of tongue touch to alveolar ridge or roof of mouth, which is hard palate. It is English consonant table. Now we will discuss about vowels, table of vowels. These are English vowels. These are 12 in number, and these vowels are also known as single or pure vowels. First one is E, as in heed, it is long, and below it is E, as in hid. A, as in bay. A, as in bed. A, ash, which is also known as ash. It is used in as had, cat. I, as in buy. U, back vowel in shoe. U, in put. O is used in boat or not. Backward C, used in cup, saw, and in law. And below is a, long a, for example in father. Shava is used in as a short vowel, as in ago, away. And epsilon is used for zabar sound, for example bird, third, etc. Like English sounds, English consonant and vowel sounds in Urdu language also are Urdu consonant sounds and Urdu vowels. But today we will discuss only English consonant and vowels. Thank you so much. We will see next